In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include a GIF in Leadpages. First things first, let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. Type Leadpages into the search bar and hit Enter. You should see a list of search results appear. Look out for the official Leadpages website, which is typically the first result, or simply navigate to the URL leadpages.com. Click on it to head over to the site. Once you're on the Leadpages homepage, you'll want to find the Login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Just type in your username and password, and log in to access your account. After you're logged in, navigate to the Landing Pages section. Here, you can choose a landing page that you've already created. Open the Leadpages editor and decide which page or pop-up you'd like to add your GIF to. The editor is an intuitive tool that allows you to make design changes effortlessly. Keep in mind that having a clear idea of where you want to place the GIF will streamline this process. Now, it's time to add that GIF. From the left-hand sidebar, you'll find a wide array of widgets. Look for the Image widget. Once you've found it, click and drag it into your desired location on your page. As soon as you place the widget on the page, you'll notice a photo icon appearing within it. That's your prompt to open the image uploader, so go ahead and click on the icon. A pop-up window will appear asking you to upload images. Hit the Upload Images button to proceed. You then have the option to either drag your GIF file directly from your computer into the upload area or click to select it via your file browser. Either method works, so feel free to choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once the GIF uploads, you'll see it displayed in the uploader. Click on the uploaded GIF to select it, and it will automatically be added to your widget on the page. With your GIF in place, you have some creative freedom to adjust its placement and alignment using the widget's settings. This is your chance to make sure everything looks just right on your page. After you're satisfied with how everything looks, the last step is to make it official by publishing your page. This will make your GIF live, so all your page visitors can enjoy the new visual element. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a GIF to your Leadpages landing page.